Hey there guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I want to show you kind of an interesting product, and this is called the Flipside, and this is by Triptech. And Triptech was kind enough to send this out to me to review for you guys. So what this is kind of a combination product, and it offers a couple of different things. So it goes on the back of your phone, whether you put it on the back of your phone itself or on a case, and it offers a ring grip as well as two different types of kickstands, and it can act as a GPS mount in your car. So it actually does clip into your vents on your car, and I'll show you that a little bit later in the video. So this is, again, a combination product, kind of interesting here. So it traditionally runs $19.99. Looks like on their website it's $13.99. Comes in a bunch of different colors. So it looks like I have the purple on black here, but it comes in black on black, blue on black, gray on black, pink on black, purple on black, red on black, black on blue, black on gray, black on pink, black on purple, or black on red. So you have plenty of options for different colors to match your style the best. So let's go ahead and check this out. Now, in order to test this out, I'm going to be using my phone with a case on here. But again, you can put this on your phone itself or on the case, so it doesn't matter which one you do. So here is the front of the package here. So we have Triptech. It shows you what it does here. So we have the grip, flip, and clip right there. Tells you all the different functions of it here. On the back, it shows you optimal viewing angle. So for the one with the ring part in it, that is good for watching a movie or something like that. And then you have one for typing stability, so you can have it in landscape mode and type with it, or you can use the ring grip right there. And then those flip grips, right, or those flip clips right there, they go into your vents right there. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look here. See if I can actually open it up without ripping it. I probably will, but that's all right. So here's the flip side itself before we put it on the phone here. So as you can see, we have our ring grip right here. And this actually is kind of a free moving kind of thing. So, you know, it just moves in whatever angle you want right there. And then you have the viewing one right here, which you just use your nail to flip up like this. And then it stands like that. And then you have the other clips right here. And those are for, you know, typing and that kind of thing. And then you can see where to go on your vents. So again, I'll show you that in just a little bit here. On the back here, it looks like it uses 3M tape. So this one isn't going to be like the others where you can kind of take it off and wash it off and reuse it. So this is kind of a one and done kind of deal. So when we put it on the phone here, you want to put the ring side toward your dominant hand. So if you hold it with your right hand, you want to have it kind of like this. So say for me, it's going to be on this side like this. If you're left-handed, you might want to do it like this. So, but of course, it's up to you. And then you want to find the most optimal place where you want to have it. So I'd probably put mine kind of lower on the phone here. But again, we're just testing this out just to see. So all we need to do here is go ahead and rip off the tape here. Obviously, you want to clean your phone first, or clean your phone or your case so you have better sticking there. And then we're just going to go ahead and try and line it up and put it on the case right here. So I'll do my best to get it lined up properly here and kind of centered. And then it should be good to go. So that's our flip side right there. And it doesn't really add much bulk there at all. So, but it does offer quite a bit of functionality right there. So that's the thickness on the case right there. All right, and if we want to use the ring clip, you just flip that out like that. Put whatever finger you want right there. And then you can go ahead and use your phone just as you would normally. Yeah, just go ahead and do whatever you're going to do with your phone right there. Now, say you wanted to watch a movie, you can just flip right there with your thumb right there, and then voila, like that. So it's in kind of a viewing mode. And then again, you have the other two clips right here. And this is meant for kind of typing. So personally, I probably wouldn't do that, but you can type on this, or you could use that to, you know, watch a movie or whatever you want to do. So that's pretty cool. All right, we're now in the car, and as you can see, we have those clips out, and those should just go right on your vent. So let's go ahead and test it out. So we should be able just to get the vent on here, or get the clips on the vent right here. So as you can see, I have it here, so it's in landscape mode. So I kind of wish you could have it in a, you know, vertical mode, but I do like that it does go on the vent right here. It's pretty stable, so it's not going to go anywhere. I do have a little bit of a kind of chin right here where my vent goes down, so it kind of has a little place to sit with it on the vent right here. So it'll probably work just fine even if you didn't have that. But that's just a little preview of how it would look if you decide to use it as a GPS in your car. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. So this is just a quick look at the Flipside by Triptech. So a multi-function device, kind of cool here. Offers the ring grip again. We get the one viewing angle here, and then you get the two clips right here, which also function as a kickstand as well as a clip for your vent if you wanted to use this in the car. So pretty cool product. Only coming in at $13.99. Comes in a bunch of different colors, of course, so this one might be one to check out. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll leave a link down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on the Flipside. And if you guys liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.